Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that can truly transform your living space, the Philips Hue Starter Kit featuring the Bridge Pro and 4 retrofit LED recessed downlights. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Philips Hue Starter Kit is a smart lighting solution that includes a Hue Bridge Pro and 4 5/6" recessed downlights. These downlights are designed to produce a wide range of lighting options, from cool to warm tones, as well as vibrant full-color light. This makes them perfect for both decorative and general lighting needs in your home. One of the standout features of this kit is its capacity for expansion. The Bridge Pro allows you to migrate any existing Hue devices you may have and supports connection for over 150 Philips lights and more than 50 accessories. This means that as your smart lighting needs grow, you can easily add more devices without any hassle. Additionally, the Bridge Pro unlocks some incredible features. With it, you can enjoy Hue Sync, which allows your lights to react to your media for an immersive experience. Whether you're watching a movie or playing a video game, the lights can synchronize with the action, enhancing your overall experience. The Bridge also supports security integrations, giving you the ability to set up automations that can make your home feel more secure, like having lights turn on when you arrive home or even when you're away. Installation is another big plus with this starter kit. The 4 retrofit recessed downlights can be easily fitted into any ceiling, allowing you to customize your home lighting without needing a professional electrician. This is a great option for renters or anyone looking to upgrade their lighting without a major renovation. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves technology and enjoys the convenience of smart home devices, the Philips Hue Starter Kit is a fantastic choice. It's particularly suitable for homeowners looking to enhance their lighting experience, whether for casual family evenings or entertaining guests. If you have a passion for interior design, these lights provide excellent flexibility to set the perfect mood in any room. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a dinner party using the Philips Hue app. You can create a warm, inviting atmosphere with soft, dimmable lights. Or, if you're winding down after a long day, you can set your lights to a calming blue hue to help you relax. For those early mornings, you can program your lights to gradually brighten, simulating a natural sunrise to gently wake you up. The possibilities are endless. In summary, the Philips Hue Starter Kit offers an impressive blend of functionality, expandability, and ease of use. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home's lighting or simply want to create a more dynamic living environment, this smart lighting solution provides you with the tools to do just that. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.